When Jesus was very weak, Satan took him and shows all the glories of this world. And some commentary says that he was taken up to the Mount of Nebo, where Moses stand on the top of that Mount Nebo, and he shows all the glories of the Canaan land and all, even the histories God had revealed to him. Then now Satan was showing all the glories of this world. I will give this to you if you come, if you bow down to me. Another spirit of prophecies also says that when he gives the stone, actually it was already turned into bread. See, Satan was using all this power in order to tame Christ. Then I will ask you a question: who give all this power? Who give all those powers to Satan or Lucifer? Who gave all this power to Satan? It is God. Yes or no? It is God. Let us not talk about power now. Who was the one who created Satan? It was God. It is God. Absolutely God. But now, all the power which God gave him, he was using when he tamed Jesus Christ again. He turned. It says, already bread was in his hand. He gave it. Eat it. And he showed all the glories of this world. Actually by God's power. God is the one who gave him power to do many great miracles things. He showed all the glories of this world. And even he tells that you don't need to die on the cross. You don't need to suffer. You are the Son of God. You don't need to suffer like this. You are no need to be hungry. You are to stay happily. I will give all these glories. You came to die on this world, on this earth, to save humanity. I will give this humanity to you. You just need to bow down. See, Jesus, the purpose of Jesus Christ, one purpose is to save this world, and also to condemn Satan into death also. But let us not put about the condemning Satan to death. Jesus Christ came to this world to save humanity. And Satan is saying, I will give all this, whatever you need. Come and bow down. He used the power of God and he shows all the glories. Is he deserved to suffer like this? He is not deserved. Jesus Christ is not deserved to be hungry, to become weak like humanities. Are we deserved? Yes, we are deserved. We are the one. We are supposed to do those things. We are to suffer very weak. We are to suffer with hungerness, pain, suffering, lots of temptation, killing each one another, die, shed tears, bitter lies. We are deserved to suffer all these things. We are to carry all this burden. But Jesus said, I will do it. The angel says, we will do it. But they were not deserved. And they are not deserved. They will never be deserved to save us. See how precious we are. To let someone who is very great, the great of all, the king and universe of all, we are the one who brought him down actually. Still, because of us, we are the reason. I am the reason why Christ need to suffer.